Tablepress. It is 100% free, and it's really the best table plugin on the market if you're looking to do something like this. So let's head over to plugins, add new, and we're looking for Tablepress. I'll quickly show you how you can set up that same table in here and then how you can use it multiple times. So I've installed it. I've stuck around to activate it as well. We see it right here. And now we have a new tab over here called Tablepress. Once you have all the data, then you can scroll down, and down here we have some table manipulation where you can insert links, insert images, do advanced editors. You can also duplicate, so you can select which ones to duplicate. To select this one, and we want to duplicate that. So now we have another one. You can combine cells, duplicate the columns as well. And now you can also move these around. So I'm left click and dragging this up here. And once you drag that up, then you can enter the data that you want. And scrolling down, you see like the first row is the table header. That's why we did that. The last row will be a footer. You can do background colors, consecutive rows, alternate, meaning it's better for your eyes. You can highlight the row when the mouse cursor hovers over it by changing the background color. You can choose to show the table name either above or below if it's important to have that. Same with the description. And then down here is where the features are. So you can do this in the table. Basically, you can enable sorting of the table so the visitor can sort by whatever is important to them. They can also filter or search the table. If you have a really large table with a lot of data, you can also choose to paginate it or make it a next, page 1, page 2, page 3 if you want. And from here, you can either preview the table, and this is what it will look like. And then you can save changes. And once you save changes, you can scroll back up here because we need to add this to our site. So the Tablepress uses shortcodes. So I need to come up here and copy the shortcode. Need to go back to the post or a page that I want to add. I'm going to create a new one. And from here, we're looking for shortcodes. So I'm going to do / and you can start searching for the block that you need. We're looking for shortcode. And now I want to paste that table ID in there. And then we can click publish and we'll see what this looks like. So very nice. So you see it hovers. When you hover over it, it will make the changes. And then you see, because I have clicked on this one to be the sort, it stays highlighted in that color. So anytime I am clicking on any of these to sort them by that header or that column, then it stays that color. Then as you're doing search, it'll only show that row that you're looking for. So a really good way to showcase the data. And then when you go back, we'll go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to the Tablepress tab. And now we have tables. So it's really, really nice feature to be able to showcase all of the tables in one location. So if I need to update this, then I just need to go to one location to make sure that my data in this is updated. And then if you have multiple websites or things like that, you can do import or export to share that data as well. And then you see, as I'm making this smaller, it also does a really good job of being responsive, meaning it will look good on tablets, desktops, and mobile phones as well.